over at George Gee Cadillac here in Coeur d'Alene, home of the lifetime warranty. Today I wanted to go over a really cool feature. I am in a 2019 Cadillac XT4 Sport, very well equipped. In fact, I have the massaging seats going on right now. But there is an automatic park assist that I think is really cool, and I wanted to kind of show you how it works. I'm probably gonna have to do something a little different with my camera there because it keeps shaking, but essentially it uses ultrasonic sensors on the front side and the rear. The front side are going to help scan and detect either a parking spot to back in or to parallel park in. Makes detecting those and getting into those really easy, especially in busy, urban city traffic. The rear sensors are actually going to help with the park assist, I guess you will, but as you're maneuvering into that spot. So it's very cool. You keep your hands off the wheel. You control shifting into park and reverse, and you also control the acceleration and the brake. So I wanted to walk you through that, show you exactly how cool it is, and we'll kind of go from there. So, all right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to hit my park assist button. That's going to bring up a display on the screen. It's going to ask me if I want perpendicular or parallel, and if I'm looking on the left side or the right side for my parking spot. So I'm going to hit perpendicular, and I'm going to be searching on my left side. So now it's actively scanning. It's as I move past these cars here, it's actually looking for a parking spot. So as soon as it finds a parking spot, it's going to alert me with a beep, and it's going to tell me to stop. So there it is. It just found one. It's telling me to stop and shift into reverse. So let me throw this into reverse. Now hands off the wheel. It's telling me to back up slowly. And you see in the rearview mirror, it's kind of nerve-wracking. It's telling me prepare to back up slowly, be prepared to brake. So as soon as that arrow gets there, I stop. Now it tells me to put it in drive. Again, the wheel turns itself. I'm accelerating. And it's straightened out. And then I'm going to put it back in reverse. And I'm accelerating. So it's straightening out. And back I go. It's still. It's pretty cool. And now the arrow's almost full. And it stops. And boom, I'm perfectly parked. I have enough room on both sides to get out. I just hit park. It stops the program. And you can get out and go about your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Look for it. If you have any questions or would like to test drive this for yourself, please give me a call back. My name's Jed. I'm at George Gee Cadillac here in Coeur d'Alene. 208-771-2783. Hope you stay cool out there. It is blistering hot for this area, and have a great day. Talk to you soon.